Hello judges, I am Riddhi Sanjay Gaikwad, representing my team Cosmic Coders. We propose solution on centralized digital platform for comprehensive student activities recording in HEIS. We proposed a monolithic digital platform to serve as a singular verifiable repository for students' entire academic and co-curricular narratives. We provide key features such as initiative dashboards with real-time feedback, faculty validation interface, process for credential submission, and we are going to create a powerful analytic engine designed to produce complete reports for institutional examination. On the right, you would see a diagram which is a pictorial representation of how a student's scattered record would be converted to centralized student platform by some key steps like activity tracking, faculty approval panel, digital portfolio, analytic and reporting, and integration and support. Technical approach. Here, a student would create a profile on our digital platform and our system, would log its academic and non-academic activities, and the verification of these documents would be done by the admin. And we would generate a comprehensive student report and portfolio on the basis of their academic and non-academic achievements. And based on that, our AI would generate a placement fellowship based on their achievements. Here, the student would log out and the admin would log in and they would register and they would verify the student's document and approve them for its authenticity. And later, they would manage faculty access, which would be to add or remove a faculty. And they will generate placement opportunities and the certificates too. Here, our system infrastructure would be consisting of for front end we would use and React Native, back end Python plus Django, database MongoDB and MongoDB or PostgreSQL. Cloud infrastructure would be on AWS, GCP or Azure, and interoperability, we would be doing connectivity through standard APIs. And feasibility and viability. We, in feasibility, we provide solutions on both mobile and web apps, and we are using common open source tools and APIs. And our team has both technical and non-technical knowledge to develop this solution. Potential challenges and risks. Data privacy and security managing would be difficult for big data, and faculty would have to manually verify for big data. And uh, the most important risk or a challenge would be that is the resistance to adoption to our system. Now, strategies to overcome this system for security purposes, we would create an AI-driven encryption which would encrypt encrypt all the data, making it safe. And now, for the workload of the faculty, we would create an AI bulk verification which would, on the basis of some key points, auto verify all the profiles. And for adoption, we would create training programs for the admins and provide student incentives which would rather attract them to our system. Now, impact. For students, they would they would have a verifiable profile that improves their career and educational prospects, and it enables students to create a repository of all their achievements which would enhance their community engagement. For institutions, it would reduce administrative burden of collecting data for audits and uh, accreditation. It builds credibility. Our authenticity protocol guarantees every credential is institutional validated, supporting both student and their future employers. For the ecosystem, it will bolster the legitimacy of academic credentials in Indian higher education. Strategic alignment. This solution directly aligns with national initiatives such as Digital India by furthering the digital fo- transformation of higher education. Streamline operations, lowers paperwork and enables data informed at the institution level. Now, research and references. In this, we have put our long term vision. We would be creating a career guidance powered by AI, blockchain based certificates, make it more, which would make the system more encrypted, and a mentor powered by AI, which would help the students function more properly.